Okay, this is Stanley ultra bright flashlight. Piece of crap. It stopped working on me. I would turn it on and all it would do was blink. And I read the internet and let's see, changed the battery, but I checked the battery. The battery's fine. I have a meter. Anyway, so I took it apart and I just rewired it so I can, when I push the button, poof, it turns on. So when it goes dead, I'll just plug it in with my hobby charger. I'm not going to use any other charger because this, I think the charger was in this. So, but I'm getting rid of that. I'm not using any of these wires, the connector. Anyway, I'll put it back together and I'll have a working flashlight again.